Have you ever noticed how a simple needle and thread can create something truly beautiful? Sewing is more than just making clothes or home decor. It is an art making clothes or home decor. It is an art that teaches us patience, creativity, and self belief. Every stitch tells a story, every handmade piece carries a little part of the creator's heart. In today's fast moving world, we often forget to slow down. Crafting gives us a reason to pause when your hands are busy creating. Your mind becomes calmer, the noise of stress slowly fades away, and you begin to enjoy the peaceful rhythm of every stitch. Many people think sewing is only a hobby, but it is actually a powerful form of self care. It helps you to focus, strengthens hand eye coordination, and encourages most beautiful problem solving skill. Whether you are sewing a dress, quietly quilting a blanket, or creating a small handmade decorations, you are exercising your brain while relaxing your mind. Crafting also reminds us that perfection is not necessary. Sometimes the most beautiful creations have tiny imperfections that make them unique, just like people handmade pieces don't need to be perfect to be valuable. Every stitch is a step towards something beautiful. One of the greatest benefits of sewing is mindfulness. Mindfulness means being fully present in the moment as the thread passes through the fabric. Your attention naturally shifts away from worries and toward creativity. Your breathing becomes slower, your thoughts become gentler, and your heart feels lighter. If you have had a difficult day, try spending just 20 minutes with your favorite craft. You may be surprised by how much calmer and happier you feel afterward. Your hands can create what your heart believes. Crafting is also a wonderful reminder that small effort lead to amazing results. A single stitch may seem insignificant, but hundreds of stitches together create something extraordinary. Life works the same way. Small positive actions represent every day build a beautiful future. Never underestimate your creativity. You don't need expensive tools to perfect materials. Some of the most inspiring crafts begin the recycle items and a creative imagination. A simple piece of fabric, old wood, buttons, or jute can become a masterpiece. Creativity begins where far ends. Handmade creations also carry emotions that machines cannot copy. When someone receives a handmade gift, they receive your time, your care, and your love. That makes every craft truly priceless. If you are just starting your sewing journey, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every experienced crafter was once a bright beginner. Every crooked stitch a simple another lesson leading you toward improvement. Remember, progress is stitched one thread at a time. Crafting can ever become a healthy daily habit. Instead of scrolling endlessly on your phone, spend a little time creating something with your hands. Your mind will thank you for it. Studies have shown that creative hobbies can reduce stress, improve mood, and support emotional well being. Healthy minds are built through peaceful moments. Sewing gives you those moments. Breathe deeply, slow down, create with your love, let every stitch bring peace to your soul. Your craft table can become your happily space, a space where worries disappear and imagination comes alive. It doesn't matter if you are making rustic home decor, sewing cloths, quilting, embroidery, and recycling old materials into beautiful art. Every project is an opportunity to learn something new. When you create, you're also inspiring others. Your work may encouraging someone else to start their own creative journey. Handmade is not just a product, it's a piece of the creator's heart. You can earn it, you can make money from it. Also believe in your ability to grow, skills improve with practice, confidence grows with patience, and success comes through consistency. So pick up your needle, choose your favorite fabric, and begin creating. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is when you start today. And finally, remember these words: create with passion, to stitch with patience, live with gratitude. The best therapy is often found in creative hands. Small stitch can repair fabric, and a small positive habits can transform a life. Thank you for spending these moments together. I hope this inspires you to keep creating, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Until next time, stay creative and stay mindful. And never stop making beauty with your own hands. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and beautiful good day. I wish your home fulfilled with love, prosperity, and make your home very beautiful. Every stitch is proof that small steps create beautiful masterpieces. Don't rush the progress. Great creations are stitched with patience. Your creativity is your superpower. Use it every single day. Success, like sewing, is built one stitch at a time. When your hands create, your heart heals. Believe in your creativity even before the world does. Every handmade piece begins with the courage to start. Some turn simple materials into something extraordinary, just like you can transform your dream into reality. One more thing, progress is better than perfection. Keep creating. And one more thing, the most beautiful masterpiece. Have you ever noticed how a simple little hand thread can create something truly beautiful? Sewing is more than just making clothes or home decor. It is an art. Making clothes or home decor. It is an art that teaches us patience, creativity, and self-belief. Every stitch tells a story. Every handmade piece carries a little part of the creator's heart. In today's fast-moving world, we often forget to slow down. Crafting gives us a reason to pause. When your hands are busy creating, your mind becomes calmer. The noise of stress slowly fades away, and you begin to enjoy the peaceful rhythm of every stitch. Many people think sewing is only a hobby, but it is actually a powerful form of self-care. It helps you to focus, strengthens hand-eye coordination, and encourages most